So in this video, we have our town hall set up. So we have camera 1 being our audience capture camera and camera 2 being our presenter tracking camera. Now, what we can do is ask our presenter to go up and present to the room.
Which one?
The best one.
Oh, great.
Okay. Now you'll see the camera is tracking our presenter around. Us as the audience in the room obviously can see him, but the far end can see both what the audience are reacting to, but more importantly, what the presenter is presenting. One thing I can do as the remote participant, anyone at home, is I can go on my laptop and you actually see up the top right, there are some arrows next to a little camera icon. And if I click on that, it will cycle between full screen views of each camera. Camera 1 and camera 2. So if I'm really invested in what's happening in the presenter camera, I can make that full screen, or I can go back to seeing the split screen of all those different multicams. Now this will happen 2 cameras, 3 cameras, and 4 cameras. It's a really, really impressive feature. It really, really maximizes the collaboration experience for town halls and presentation style meetings.